Okay, student, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Numan Ahmed, and we will discuss today creation of Pakistan. Is the subtopic of chapter the road to Pakistan. Let's move on the further details. Pakistan movement. The Pakistan movement, or we can say the Tehreek-e-Pakistan, was a political movement in the 1940s that aimed for and succeeded in the creation of Pakistan from the Muslim majority areas of British India. If we see the second point, the movement progressed within India alongside the Indian independence movement, but the Pakistan movement sought to establish a new nation state that protect the religion, identity, and political interest of Muslim in South Asia. Two nation theory is a very important. This is the reasons we need freedom. That time the two nation theory was the founding a principle of the Pakistan movement. The partition of India in 1947, the ideology that religion is the main factor in defining the nationality of Indian Muslims was used by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He called it the awakening of Muslim for the creation of Pakistan. Role of Quaid-e-Azam, so a very major role. Jinnah was true political career started from when he joined Muslim League in 1913, became politically a well-known figure by the episode of Lucknow Pact 1916, when he was coined as an ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity, but he events ensuing gave a new shape of the drama of politics in India. The slogan of Hindu-Muslim unity proved short-lived. The failure of Khilafat movement and the Nehru report classified the Muslim minds from the illusion of Hindu-Muslims unity. His 14-point Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's 14-point 1929 saved the Muslim from the octopus of the Congress. See, ideology of Pakistan and Iqbal. Iqbal was strictly against the nationalism. He considered all the Muslims to be a part of one ummah. For him, a Muslim in any part of the world was part of the brotherly relation. He considered nationalism to be a coffin for the Muslim Ummah, thus highlighting the limitation of disadvantages of the nationalism. Iqbal gave the philosophy of Millat-e-Islamiyya, and this philosophy became the basis of Pakistan's ideology. Iqbal at Government College, Lahore. Pathway of Pakistan 23rd March resolution. The Muslim League held an annual session at Minto Park in Lahore, Punjab, that lasted from 22 March till 24 March 1940. Asia are quite different from the Hindus, and their future in the democratic India would be at the stake. 23rd March is observed as Pakistan Day every year. See the picture. 23rd March. Okay, aims of objects of creation of Pakistan. So setting up for a free Islamic country. The main objective of creation of Pakistan was to establish a free Islamic society having its own identity and government, practicing its own social principles and religion in environing the Muslim world. Establishment of Islamic democracy. So in Islam democratic system, everyone is equal and no one enjoy the privileged position on the basis of his social status. One of the main objective of the freedom movement was that the Muslims of the subcontinent wanted to a country where the ideal system of Islamic democracy could be installed. Contained with the more, if we see, one of the main objective of the freedom movement was that the Muslim of the subcontinent wanted a country where the ideal system of Islamic democracy could be installed protection of Muslim culture and civilization, then the Muslim culture, civilization and literature were the living and proud symbol of the Muslim identity as a separate and distinct nation. Although a Muslim lived with Hindus and other nations for centuries, yet they proudly maintain their separate image. Hindus are the people who follow the practice, the belief of Hinduism, while Muslims are those that follow Islam. Hindus believe in make God, while Muslims believe in only one God, Allah. Okay, the Hindus don't eat cows, while Muslims don't eat pigs. Hindus believe in rebirth or reincarnations, while Muslims believe in the separation of the soul and body after death. Muslims observe many religion practices like the namaz, roza, and shahada. Okay, protection of Urdu language. This situation proved that the Muslims to come out in order to protect the importance of the Urdu language. Hindus began to demand that the Hindi should be made an official language in place of Urdu, and they started a movement in Banaras in which they demanded the replacement of Urdu with Hindi. Establishment of a balanced economic system. So after the war of independence of 1857, the British government had banned Muslims entry into government service. The Muslims also legal behind in the field of education. The Hindu, on the other hand, had advanced in modern knowledge and were in a better position. Conclusion, if we see, so the whole world acknowledged that had there been no Jinnah, there would have been no Pakistan, and the nation rightfully acclaimed him Qaid-e-Azam, the great leader. As a result of Pakistan movement led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the subcontinent's struggle for independence, Pakistan was created in 1947 as an independent nation of Muslims from the regions in the east and west of the subcontinent where there was a Muslim majority. The partition of India, August 1947. Thank you.